Hello viewers, welcome back to the Affiliate Marketing Complete course. In our last class, we discussed what digital products are, what physical products are, their pros and cons, and which option can be the right choice for your career. That class was really interesting and I hope you all enjoyed it. In today's class, we are going to cover what CPA marketing is, the types of offers available in CPA marketing, where you can find those offers, and 5 trusted CPA networks. At the end of this class, I will explain the similarities and differences between CPA marketing and affiliate marketing, and how you can actually use affiliate marketing platforms to do CPA marketing. So, without any delay, let's get started. First of all, let's clear one thing. In CPA marketing, there are usually two parts involved, CPA and marketing. Now, the question is, what is marketing? Simply put, marketing means reaching out to people with your product or offer and convincing them to take action. But keep in mind, marketing itself is a very broad topic. And here, I am just giving you a short idea. But in our next class, we will go into marketing in detail, where you will learn how to reach people effectively with your product or offer. Now, let's move to CPA. The full form of CPA is cost per action or cost per acquisition. That means you only get paid when someone completes a specific action. So, what does action mean in CPA? Action can be many things, such as installing an app, submitting an email on a website, or other small simple tasks. These actions may look small, but they are the main source of your income in CPA marketing. Now, an important question comes up, should we complete these actions ourselves or should someone else do them? Let's understand this with an example. Suppose I tell you, if you sell 500 liters of diesel today, I will give you a $100 bonus. Now the question is, will you buy all 500 liters yourself or will you try to sell it to other people? Of course, you will try to sell it to others. CPA marketing works in exactly the same way. For example, a company might say, if you get one person to install this app, we will pay you $1 per install. Here, your job is simple. Take that offer, promote it in different ways, get people to complete the required action like installing the app. Once they do, you earn money. Now, what kind of offers you can find in CPA marketing? There are many types of offers, such as CPL, CPI, PPC, CPC, CPSU, email submit, SOI, DOI, revenue share, and CPS. Let's get to know each of these offers one by one. What is CPL? CPL stands for cost per lead. This means when someone fills out a form with their name, phone number, email, or other details, you earn a commission. What is CPI? CPI stands for cost per install. Here, you earn a commission when your audience installs an app. What is PPC? PPC stands for pay per call. That means if someone calls a specific phone number through your link, you get a commission. These offers are usually provided by insurance and travel companies. What is CPC? CPC stands for cost per click. You are given a link and whether someone click on it, you earn a commission. These offers are rare and the commission rate is usually very low. What is CPSU? CPSU stands for cost per sign up. This means if a visitor sign up for a free account or free trial on a website, you earn a commission. What is email submit? Suppose a company sells iPhones and wants to collect emails of people who are interested in buying. So they create an offer. If you get someone to submit their email on this website, you will earn $2. This is called an email submit offer. Email submit offers usually comes in two types, single opt-in SOI and double opt-in DOI. What is single opt-in SOI? In a single opt-in offer, a visitor only needs to submit their email once. Once they submit, you earn a commission immediately. No further action is required from them. What is double opt-in DOI? In a double opt-in offer, after submitting the email, the visitor has to click a second confirmation button to verify the email. These two-step process filters serious customers, email submit and confirmation button. If someone submits the email but doesn't click the confirmation button, you don't earn a commission. What is revenue share? Most CPA offers have a fixed commission. For example, if you complete the task, you earn a $2. But some offers use a revenue share system. Here, if you sell a product, you earn a percentage of the sale, like 10%. What is CPS? CPS means cost per sale. Whenever someone buys a product or service through your link, you earn a commission. Here's an important point. In our third class, we discussed affiliate marketing. I said if someone buys a product or service through your link, you earn a commission. This is exactly the same as CPS in CPA marketing. So, CPA exists in both affiliate marketing and CPA marketing. Think of this way, CPA has a branch called CPS, and CPS is essentially affiliate marketing. How to know if CPS is CPA or affiliate marketing? It depends on the network providing the offer. Offers from affiliate networks, it's called affiliate marketing. For example, Amazon, ClickBank, JViju. On the other hand, offers from CPA networks, it's called CPA marketing. For example, Mobidea, Max Bounty, ClickDealer. Simply put, CPS exists in both, but the network determines if it's affiliate or CPA marketing. Now, difference between CPA cost per sale and affiliate cost per sale. One key difference, affiliate marketing CPS offers usually include a front-end offer. What is front-end offer? It's a multi-product commission system. In affiliate marketing, the sales page is often designed in a smart way. Along with the main product, there are several related or supporting products. Here's how it works. You promote the main product. When a customer visits the sales page and buys the main product plus any supporting products, you earn a commission for all those products. So, even though you are promoting one product, you can earn commissions from multiple products. Now comes to the CPA marketing differences. In CPA networks, there is no multi-product commission system. You get a specific product to promote and you must promote and sell that exact product. Then move on to the refund policies. CPA marketing usually doesn't have a refund policies. This means as soon as a product is sold, your commission goes directly into your account. On the other hand, in affiliate marketing, refund policies do exist. For example, if a product has a 30-day refund policy, your commission will remain pending for 30 days. If the product is refunded within 30 days, you will not earn any commission. But if there is no refund after 30 days, your commission is confirmed in your account. By now, you should have a clear understanding of the relationship and differences between CPA, CPS, and affiliate marketing. Now comes to the most important question, where to find CPA offers? Compared to other marketing methods, CPA marketing has a higher risk of spam. So, the first step is to find trusted CPA networks. Here are 5 trusted CPA networks: Mobidea, Max Bounty, ClickDealer, Perform CV, and AdComo. I will not go into details about each network in this class because it's already long. After the class, you can explore these networks on Google. Now comes to exploring CPA offers on a network. Let's take a look at how CPA offers actually appear. First, open your Chrome and go to moveidea.com. This is Mobidea's homepage. To see CPA offers, click on the network section. Then click on CPA offers. Here you can see a huge list of CPA offers available for promotion. Now let's pick one offer and see exactly how it works. This is an offer. Here you can see some very important information. What it all means. 19730, this is the offer ID, a unique number for this CPA offer. CAs, this shows the targeted country, in this case Switzerland. Note that CPA networks usually don't use the full country name. They follow ISO 31661 Alpha 2 standard for country codes. Web plus Move, this offers works on both desktops and mobile device. Games Party, this is the product name indicating it's a game related offer. SMS, this is the action type. Users need to provide their mobile number and confirm via SMS. Payout $5.607. This is your earning if you successfully get a confirm rate. In this case, you will earn $5.60 per confirm rate. You will notice many other offers targeting different countries and with different types of actions. I think you understand. Now, what you need to start CPA marketing? Before you start CPA marketing, you need a few things. For example, a website or a landing page. You can start with a single landing page or lender or with a full website for your CPA campaigns. Number 2, a CPA account. Sign up on a trusted CPA network and choose reliable offers to promote. Number 3, tools and setup. Additional tools and setup are needed, but we will not cover them in this class. Alright, the main idea is if you follow the affiliate marketing steps properly, you can use the same platforms to start CPA marketing easily. We will go deeper into tools, setup, and promotion strategies in upcoming classes. Okay, today's class had two main objectives. Number 1, to help you understand the basics of CPA marketing, and number 2, to give you a clear understanding of the similarities and differences between affiliate marketing and CPA marketing. I hope you have understood today's content well. If someone was not clear, I highly recommend watching this class again carefully. Remember, to learn a proven affiliate marketing method from start to finish, make sure to subscribe to this channel. In this course, you will not only learn the basics, but also a secret strategy that many people are not aware of. Thank you and have a great day.